Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's interesting to see the, I would not say the panic. I think, we're still 2 years, and 2 years is, as I say it often, a long time in computer and tech standards, but I can see out of a lot of you out there that have a PC, running a PC for a long time, that you're happy with, and running Windows 10, and I start feeling a lot of the stress and at least the concern that the going away of Windows 10 in a couple of years from now is actually causing. And I want to stress out, I think at 2 years, so many things can happen. Some of you have PCs that are very old with Windows 10. And, at some point there could be a game changer that's going to be like, well, you know what? Yeah, maybe it's time to move on to another PC. And it's to see what people are doing. There's a couple of comments that I've had over time that say, well, could you do videos about scenarios of where we could go if Windows 10, expires? What could we do to still continue using maybe the PC we have and so on? And this is a very complex situation because one of the biggest problems with using a PC has to do with what you actually do with it. And when I see somebody say, well, I'm moving on to Linux and I'll be happy, no offense. When I say you're not doing a lot with your PC, you're not doing a lot with your PC, because any usage of a computer that is a little intense in Windows, you clearly can see you cannot move on to Linux. It's not a replacement. It's not a possibility. So you might think you're doing a lot with your PC, but if you're just going on the web, doing email, doing a few things here and there, and using basic software, it's very different from, say, some guy like me that is doing a lot with his PC, running hardware that is out of the ordinary, doing a lot of things that most people don't do. And that's where Windows maintains its dominance. It's the only system you can actually think of. There's no possibility of moving on to something else. The other thing also has to do with, of course I see those that say, well, I'm going to continue using it even without updates, which is the worst thing you can do, because that is the best way to get ransomware or get even your data stolen and having problems all the time. Not counting that eventually, browsers will stop supporting it and so on. But I think that's what we should stress out here, is that at 2 years, we're still far off technically, even though it's not that far away. Technology-wise, it is still far away, and we have the time to see what's to come and what we're going to do, and we'll see. We'll see. And of course, I'll be here in 2 years probably. So as we get closer, all the possibilities are going to be there. We'll see what the market shares are. We'll see where Windows 12 maybe now is in market share compared to all of that. Windows 11, Windows 12 together might in 2 years actually have a substantial amount of market share. Maybe not Windows 11 alone, maybe not Windows 12 alone, but about maybe Windows 11 and 12 together. It could be a very surprising pair where the amount of people that have moved on is higher than we think. But we're still, yes, in the dominance of Windows 10. And I think rather than, just worrying about a future that is not here yet, use your PC, be happy, and we'll see as time goes by. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.